Mahita Ghai and I secured an All India rank of 364 in my November INI attempt 2025. I'm a 2019 batch MBBS student, and through this video I'll be taking you through my journey of preparation. So I started my preparation in January 2025, and the very first thing that I did was sticking to a particular source. I diligently followed BTRs from January up till now and tried to make the best out of it. That time when I started, an online session was already going on, and by mid of March, I was done with the first entire reading of PTR. That I did not follow any TND session along with it which was going on. I just listened to BTR 2.0 videos, did my PYQs, and I consistently gave GT every week to follow up and give a check on my preparation. Along with that, we had those compiled modules going on, lectures, all the major subjects from standard textbooks. So I listened to also them and tried to compile and concise all of this together. So my major target by the mid of March was that I should be once done with all the concept clarity rather than just putting ratta over the things, and moreover I should have all that I could collect by mid of March, so that from now onwards what I study is that this much particular I should know, and I can just add on to this so as to build up my concepts. Like ma'am always used to say us that you should always add up layer by layer. So once you are done with the basic stuff, you need to add up so that you can follow the baby steps and make a good mountain out of it. So during these 2.5 months, I did PYQs, and also along with it I used to do custom modules each day. I used to make custom modules of 4 sets. Like I used to have a first year subject, a second and third, and maybe 2 fourth year subjects, so that every 5th day I can reach that first day set again, so that I could touch each part, like all these subjects in 4 days, so that your brain is actually getting prepared, because all the questions in the exam are not going to be from a particular subject you are reading the entire week. It is going to be from everything. So your brain needs to storm from one subject to another so that you can have that gist going on in your mind. Along with that, I used to give GTs, and the major thing that I used to take up from GTs was not to be taken by the ranks that I used to score or the number of corrects I was getting, majorly from the incorrects, and learning from them that what was going wrong, where I was not able to understand it, and I used to write up in my choti copy or in the register that I had made out of it. But the only thing I used to be very particular about is before attempting the next TT the next week, I need to look up to all those mistakes I'd already made, so that I do not at least repeat those in the coming up time. Then I started my next cycle, and that time I came for the 4-day PTR before my May attempt, and this was the first time I came to Vidya Jeevan. So the place is very sacred, very beautiful, and when I came for those 4 days, it was like revisiting to your BTR 2.0 videos with ma'am being live explaining everything to you. And moreover, that time it became a checkpoint to your own self, because you have that blank book in front of you, and you actually test yourself every time that I do not know this or I know that. So by the end of 4 days, when I came back home, I was pretty confident on the points that I don't know this, I need to work on this for the next 10 days so that I can build a good rank for my May INI. So I got a rank of 1050 in my May attempt, and later on I was like, I'll give a better shot in NEET. But during my NEET preparation, I lagged behind because I became a bit lenient with my own self. I did not solve regular custom modules. I did give GTs, but I wasn't very strict with my own self. So I ended up getting a rank of 3694 in my NEET PG 2025. And then after, I had decided to come to Vidya Jeevan for 2 months for the PTR Bootcamp 3.0. And this was the best decision I ever made until now. So there, we did not lack motivation at all. We were every time surrounded by high adrenaline rush coming from every side. here we had a very strict schedule to follow with ma'am's classes lined up, we getting custom modules every day, and I roller coasters in between, me doing my own QBacks on topics where I lagged behind, revisiting PYQs in the form of custom modules, here where I learned that you should not just know the correct answer but why the other three answers are wrong, because that helps you enter into the head of the examiner. Okay, why he's trying to ask me such questions. So questioning yourself that way is where it wasn't learned anywhere else. Then moreover, appearing for the GTs which used to occur every weekend, I giving my own GTs, which ideally solving so many questions helped me cover that patch of my own. And everyone had backlogs, so did I have backlogs, but getting that extra 5 minute push ki thoda aur padh lo, thode aur questions solve kar lo. Being here at Vidya Jeevan, I never lacked it. I every time had some or the other person to look up to get that extra push on that particular day, making it extra productive for my own self. So through this journey, the major thing that I could take away from my own was showing up every day and being consistent.